wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best folding tables. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. You'll find the Coleman Outdoor Compact a worthwhile choice for either home use or for camping, as it's light enough to carry from your car to your campsite or your back porch to your front deck with ease. It even comes with a storage bag that's got a carrying strap. Its aluminum top is hard to damage, and it holds up to 100 pounds. Nevertheless, it feels a little flimsy to some. At number 9, it may be small, but the Outdoor Interiors Eucalyptus is a charming and highly functional model that works great for putting out appetizers or beverages during a garden or patio party. Plus, the legs form a natural handle when it's folded up. It's easy to maintain with hardwood oil and arrives fully assembled, but the surface is a bit rough. Coming in at number 8 on our list. At just over 25 pounds, the Cosco Deluxe is light enough for most folks to carry once they fold it from the center and secure the locks. The top has a rough texture to it, which is nice for durability, but makes writing on the surface a problem. Leg end caps prevent floor scratches, and it's made from a weather-resistant resin. However, it may not be completely level. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding tables, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Flash Furniture Round Plastic is a fine choice for the large banquet hall, and even though you'd likely put a cover on it for a dinner event, the top is stain resistant, so you don't need to stress about spills. It would function well as a crafts or cutting table too. A roomy 60-inch version is also available and no assembly is required, but the legs are tough to maneuver. Moving up our list to number 6. As it's constructed from high-density polyethylene that's resistant to the sun and inclement weather, you won't have to worry about the lifetime commercial cracking or peeling anytime soon. Plus, it's backed by an extensive limited warranty. This one exceeds BIFMA standards and comes with a durable powder-coated steel frame. However, it is hard for one person to set up. Halfway up our list at number 5. With a classic wooden appearance, the winsome wood round doesn't look like a folding table at first glance. Upon further examination, however, you discover an innovative folding mechanism that allows the sides to drop down and the base to come together. It features a stylish beveled top edge and a round shape that's good for conversation, but it is pricey for the overall quality. At number 4, the Office Star Resin is a water and scratch resistant model that's suitable for indoor or outdoor use. When it's folded in half, you can carry it by the securely attached handle, and when it's all set up, it can support up to 350 pounds. There are a wide variety of size options that can accommodate 6 or more at a pinch. However, it is prone to loose screws. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Thanks to its compact size and an extra slick surface that begs for an old-school card game, the Stakmore Fruitwood is a nice option for bridge, poker, or euchre enthusiasts. If your kitchen lacks the space for a full-size table, this is a serviceable solution as well. It's a solid hardwood construction that offers 32 square inches of surface. It's designed for easy vertical storage. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding tables, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you happen to be shopping for a big trade show or similar event, the National Public Plastic offers a fine combination of size options and affordability. Its strong powder-coated steel frame is resistant to rust and will hold up for the long haul. It boasts a 1,000 pound weight capacity, UV protection, and a 10-year warranty. And coming in at number 1 on our list, a convenient one-piece design and no additional parts makes folding, unfolding, and transporting the Beckworth smartflip an effortless operation. Simply twist the leg and extend to adjust the height between 17 and 25.6 inches. It's built with Moso bamboo and is an innovative quarter-folding design. It comes with a carrying bag. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding tables, or simply click beneath this video.